Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about gifting. What does gifting have to do with organization? Well, I'll tell ya. So in gifting, things can get really complicated. You're trying to go with a theme and then it just doesn't happen and you end up spending more money than you really wanted to, and then we're here and you have a discombobulated, unorganized, random themed gift and you're like, what do I do with this? So I'm here to tell you and show you how you can fix that and avoid all those different types of situations when gifting. I'm a personal gift giver and I love to give my friends and family really nice themed gift baskets that are all the things that they wanted all combined in one. This video is representing one of my best friends who is having a baby shower, and my mother started this tradition where for every baby shower we attend, we gift a clothesline of the clothing that they put on their registry, as well as a few other things in a basket. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you loved it, and also if you really enjoy watching all of my videos and want to keep getting more notifications on when I post new ones, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So today I'm going to show you how to make the clothesline, where to buy the things for the clothesline, and all the other extra things that you can put inside the basket to fill it up. So let's get started. The clothespins were from TJ Maxx and the clothesline is from Amazon, each under $10. What I'm doing here is showing you the clothesline as well as each individual item that I will be putting on the clothesline with the clips. So what I'm doing here is showing you each individual item of clothing that I will be putting on the clothesline that was part of the baby mama's registry. Then I move on to the hat. I go into the socks. I show you the little mitts that they have now for babies so they don't scratch themselves. I have 3 matching bibs that go with all the clothes that I bought. And then 5 plain white onesies. And last but not least, 4 swaddles. Here's a closer look at all the items I bought. So here is the step-by-step on how to pin the clothes to the line. So I grab the socks, which is what I'm going to use first, obviously, and pin them to the line. It takes me a little while to get the measurements correctly because they are such small items and you don't want to separate them too far because then you'll have a really, really long line. Stay tuned so you can see the beautiful mother-to-be opening up her super cute and fun gift basket. as you can see, I'm about almost done with putting all the clothes on the clothesline. And after you get the technique down pat, it becomes really fast paced, and you also getting the spacing that you would like. Everything just goes smoothly after this, so I will see you back when I finish. Now that we are about done putting the clothes on the clothesline, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a glimpse of what the basket I'm using looks like on the outside and the inside. You'll need a spacious basket so that the clothes can fit nicely inside, as well as the stuffers can fit at the top so it doesn't look like too much or too little. I also like to leave the end of the clotheslines on the outside of the basket so that it's easy for the mother-to-be to pick up and show the rest of the party. Here are a few of the items we will be using for the top of the basket. This part of the basket is one of the most important parts because placement is very important. This is the first thing that everyone is going to see, not only the person you're giving the gift to, but as well as the guest, because everybody's a snooper, and you want it to look nice and organized as well as inviting when she's going to open it.
That is really cute.
Once again, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and a subscribe. Also follow me on my Instagram. I'm also on Facebook. See you guys with the next ATO video.